we decided to go to Cerritos Mall. We're gonna go walk around, and then we have a birthday party to go to at 5 o'clock. It's already 2:17, so we're gonna try to kill as much time as possible until 5 o'clock. Just say yes, Lord. I don't think there's a lot of traffic here on the 605. That's a good thing. Right now there was a lot of traffic on the 105, as per usual. But it's a good thing that right now here on the 605 there's not a lot of traffic. I give every day. You know what I should do? I should take pictures of my car so in case I need thumbnails, I could use these. I give all the glory. Oh man, alright, we're here. Let's see where we're gonna park. I think we should park here on the Macy side. I give all the glory. Oh, who's honking? Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for these parts of the song. Go, 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 Tesla, go. Oh. Those bumps. They're very hard. Let's see where we can park. Dang, it's even packed over here. Let's just park over here. Alright, we're here guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Click all the videos that YouTube is going to recommend, and I'll see you guys on the next one.